What is going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. I assume everybody watching this video is jacked to the tits. They're excited. They're thrilled for this week. Why? Because it is barely Monday and both of these stocks outperform at least my expectations, to say the least. GameStop 25%, AMC 50% on the day. That is insane. Why do I think these stocks are going to go higher? Why do I think GameStop could hit 250 and AMC could hit 40? For the most part, on Friday, I was looking for GameStop 200. This was the direct message between me and Robert. This was our admin. He's our admin. I decided to just crop this out just to keep the conversation private, just to respect his privacy. But I told him I think GameStop hits 200 in the coming weeks, either this week or next week. I was almost certain that GameStop was going to hit 200. Why? Number one, look at the darn options chain. This is stacked. This is for AMC, by the way. It's still stacked. And for GameStop, these numbers are looking freaking juicy. I know I shouldn't be saying that word, but they're looking juicy. I'm ready. I'm ready. I have not sold one single share. I'm not gonna sell my GameStop. That's for sure. I don't care what GameStop does. It could come back to 70. I don't care. I'm in the 130s, and for AMC, I'm in sub 20s, which we talked about in the free Discord. It's free, by the way. Check out the first thing down below. We threw it in there. We're looking for the 50 DMA crossover, which was my video I made last week on why I think that was going to be a great buy. And it proved to be. Look at this, we hit 30. So I think we're waiting for that DMA crossover. We crossed down under in December, so it's time that we finally had some action. Even here for GameStop, December was when we came down under. Now, do these stocks look a little overextended? A little bit. I'm not going to lie. I didn't think AMC was going to hit 30 today. GameStop surprised me. It hit 200 and almost hit 200 today, in which I was looking for 200 this week or next week. So the next level of support or resistance we're looking for GameStop is 240. 240s. Can we trade in that range for a while before we have another rip back up to 350s? And for AMC, I'm looking to take profits around $40, which might be a stretch, but to be honest, I'm surprised it even hit 30 today. We got in sub 20, and one of the reasons why I knew that I wasn't going to take any profits in the coming days was, number one, that option chain, baby. The options never lie. They're going to move stocks like this. This has happened before on AMC. This has happened where you run at market open, you hold supports midday, and you close into new highs. We even threw this in the Discord today at 10:30 Pacific Standard. Or is it AMC will close into a new high, GameStop as well, maybe Tesla. Tesla announced a split. The last time they announced a split, the stock went parabolic. All these stocks are doing amazing. SPY went up green today, so that adds extra fire, extra pressure on these people FOMOing. Oh my God, the market's green. All this news in Europe out there, it's dissolving. It's not much as FUD anymore. Let's go back into the markets. We've had our money parked on the sideline. Let's push it back into these stocks, right? So this is what happens. And AMC can hit 33 pre-market. GameStop could be about 208, 210 pre-market. We don't know. I'm thrilled. The portfolios are looking stacked. They're looking good. They're looking healthy. So that is my plan for AMC, which I planned. This was actually probably a better trade than my first time around hopping in AMC around 2019 December. Because look at this. We're up $9 today. When I got in at 2, we sold at 10. Can you imagine that? Can you picture that? I'm telling you, God is good, baby. There's always second opportunities. You just got to be patient. You got to be faithful. You got to keep your head up. You got to be consistent. You got to follow your strategy. You got to follow the rules. Have a certain approach, guys, for your investing or your trading, whatever you're doing. Don't rely on the low-hanging fruit information. There's a lot of great information on Reddit, a lot of amazing information on Twitter, but sometimes these people can be biased, like the AMC's Twitter spaces. They can be hella biased. And if I spend my day in there, can you imagine what that's going to do to my mindset? You want to take in both sides of the picture, and at the end of the day, it's going to be a decision on you. Whether you like the fundamentals, you like the management, you don't like the management, you don't like the fundamentals, you don't like the company, make a decision that's going to satisfy you, nobody else. Read the books, put in the work, guys. I'm telling you. If there's one tip I can give you is just read. Read books on finance. Read books on finance. Read books on business. Read books on economics. Read books on psychology. Go read the freaking Investing Bible, which is Security Analysis by Ben Graham. That's a 600-page book. I read through it. It can be boring. It can be mundane. It can be very difficult. But I promise, as I was saying, the video cut off. Go get your hands on these books. I promise you there's knowledge, there's wisdom in those books that are going to change your life forever. Think of these authors as mentors. Think of you having them as in-person mentors. They're next to you. They give you advice, and they're going to change your life. They're going to change your perspective, and they are going to make you a savvier investor, a much more interesting person in the workplace. In general, guys, that's the biggest message I could probably push on this channel. Read books. Read anything you can get your hands on, and just be have an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm excited for this week. I should be going live tomorrow before school if I can. 30 minutes, 35 minutes, maybe even 45 minutes. I'll try to squeeze that in. I know last time I did, I think I was late to class. But nonetheless, I'm excited. And God is good, baby. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.